Okay, so now I can pour the fuel, but be careful not to exceed the maximum level marked inside the tank, otherwise you will overfill it. In this case, now I can pour liquid ethanol straight from the bottle. Okay, and when I'm finished, the burner is ready to start. Sometimes it may happen that you splash some fuel around, so be sure to wipe it dry carefully. And before I start the fire, let me show you how you can fill the fuel in the automatic device. With the burner, you get an automatic pump, just like this one. So let's connect it. And the second end of the hose goes right inside the bottle with the fuel. And all you have to do now is just press the button, and the burner will do the rest. So now let's disconnect the pump, and the burner is ready to start. To do this, just press the button here on the control panel, or easier, on a remote or mobile app. As you can see, the flame is now on, so now let's go back to the manual device. To start the fire, you need a lighter or just some regular matches, and it all goes down to putting a burning lighter close to the liquid fuel. And as you can see, you have to be really careful because the ignition is very rapid. And initially the flame is quite small and very blue in color, so we have to give it a couple of minutes to warm up. To lower the flame in the manual device, you use this special tool, and all you need to do is just pull this white metal panel. And by doing this, you are just reducing the amount of oxygen that goes right inside the burner. So the effect is that the flame just suffocates and drops down. To make it high again, you need to push the flap back in place. In the automatic device, on the other hand, on the remote you've got two buttons. One lowers the flame, and the second one makes it higher. Really hot, to the point where the fuel starts to boil and splash outside. And all you can do is just extinguish it, and you do it by using the same tool as before, but this time you need to close the panel entirely. And the flame is burning, so usually you have to try a couple more times. Okay, I've made it. It's not that simple, I can tell you that. In the automatic device, on the other hand, it is the ethanol vapors that are being combusted. Just press the stop button, and now the burner will stop producing vapors and the flame will disappear. Another big difference between these two devices is the smell. This because even if you extinguish the manual burner, the fuel contained inside the tank is still very hot, and it evaporates to the air. Also, the flame is burning somewhere at this level inside the tank where there is not enough oxygen. And the result is an incomplete inside. So when you light this fireplace, it will all burn down, giving off a burning smell. In the automatic device is that in the automatic burner, the flame has never any direct contact with the liquid fuel. The vapors are produced in the evaporating chamber, and the flame is burning right above the burner where it has full access to oxygen. So it is very clean without any smell.